are we in danger of I just that saying of a cat that jumps on a hot stove and gets burned isn't going to jump on a hot stove again. He's not going to jump on a cold stove either. He's just not going to jump on stoves anymore. Could we be creating the potential for sort of a long-term market distrust, if we do have a deep bear market here and retail investors who are stretched like this get excessively burned?
I think it's a really great point. And it's something I worry about. I think it's also one of the things that's driven cryptocurrency. When you talk to, millennial investors, I think that's a big reason why they're looking at things like why they've dived headfirst into real estate over the past couple of years and into cryptocurrencies. Is I think there is a natural distrust of the stock market, and especially I think people understand that markets have been manipulated for a period and whether they actually understand the dynamics of Fed policy and all these things, I think people do understand that the markets haven't been able to operate in a free manner for a period of time, and that makes everybody, I think, a little bit more cautious, or at least should make people more cautious. So yeah, I do think, if we do have another major bear market, and I think that's exactly what we're headed for over the next year to 18 months, then I think it's going to create a rethink. It's going to make people think twice about, is the stock market something that you can't, they're going to certainly rethink this idea of passive investing, which, if you didn't have one of the most powerful 10-year bear markets behind you, in the rear view mirror, driving recency bias, the idea of passive investing would sound, almost ridiculous. It's
Sorry, you said bear market, but you meant bull market, right?
I meant
10-year
bull
bull
market. Yeah, exactly. Thank you. If you didn't have that, driving people's recency bias, the idea of passive investing would be almost laughable. And I think it's only the fact that stock prices have been supported by Fed policy for so long, creating such a powerful bull market, that people have become comfortable with this idea. But yes, if we do have another major bear market, like I said, I think we're headed for that. It's going to make people, I think twice about passive investing, think twice about just stock market investing in general, and really, hopefully start to question whether having such an active central bank is in the country's best interest.
If you enjoyed this video clip, click here to watch another one you should like.